Hi friends! Today we are going to read the book Salamanders. What do you think this book is going to be about? That's right, salamanders. Now based on the cover, we can kind of guess what a salamander is. Is it kind of like a lion? No. Is it like a bird? No. What do you think it looks like? Maybe a snake or kind of like a frog, maybe? Let's read to find out. What is that? It's a salamander. While I read, let's look for these 4 words: skin, spots, mouth, leg. It is wet. It is smooth and slimy. Yuck! A salamander lives near wet rocks and moss. Its skin needs to stay wet. Now there's a word there that I'm not quite sure what it means. Let's see. Moss. Can you find what's in the picture that might be moss? It's this green stuff. And as you can tell, it's nice and wet, which sounds perfect for a salamander. Look at its spots. The spots warn predators to stay away. The skin has poison on it. Oh my goodness, poison? Ugh. Well, if we're talking about predators, is poison going to hurt the predators or attract the predators? Well, predators are animals that eat other animals. So if we're talking about big animals that want to eat the salamander, then poison will make them go, yuck, I don't want to eat that, and go find something else. Look at its mouth. It is wide. Salamanders eat worms. Worms? Oh my goodness, we learned about worms before. So it looks like a salamander is a predator to worms. Let's look at that mouth. What did we just read and learn about a salamander's mouth? It's nice and wide. Can you take your hands and make your mouth nice and wide? Look at its short leg. It climbs. It swims too. Did you know that salamanders could swim? Wow, I didn't know that either. I bet it's a little bit tricky to climb with those short legs. See the salamander blend in. It is hard to find. It is safe. We learned a word in school that talks about when something blends in with something else. Remember when we learned about the polar bears and how they're white so they blend in with the snow? Do you remember what that was called? Camouflage. Can you find the salamander in this picture? Oh, there he is. Wow. What colors are he? Looks like orange and black and brown, and it looks like his surroundings are the same color. That's pretty tricky. And that's our book about salamanders. I hope you learned lots. You can find another video about salamanders if you want to practice writing about what you just learned. See you later.